messy, so bear with me. It will not be like this, but I have to show you guys before. So all the furniture minus that TV. I have 2 end tables, the love sofa, the full sofa, and Zadie's playing cards. And also this coffee table. They are going away. Someone is buying them for me, and they're picking it up tomorrow. This is basically the first delivery, and these are barn doors. And what we're doing is we're gonna install, I think, a beam here so that way it holds, and then we have the overlapping barn door. So one side is gonna go, the other side is gonna go.
What are you doing? Are you doing the door?
All right, guys, so this is the last time you'll really see it, this room kind of like this. Over the course of a few days, I will be repainting. I told my husband I want to get paint for the doors and for the walls. We still have to put the track up here. Me and my husband were looking last night for leveling and stuff for the barn door track, because we have the bypass track. So it's kind of going to be overlapping each other because the dimensions of this room, like the opening, it's not, I don't want to say it's not even, but we have more wall on this side than we do here. So we figured overlapping ones would be better, and I think it would look prettier anyway. I tried to get this stain up. I'm gonna try again today. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's food, if a drink fell. It was under like furniture, so it's been there for a while. That's gross, I know, but what are you gonna do? I'm not trying to do this in one day, but we will have the doors up hopefully by tonight, as long as nothing goes wrong. Hello everybody, I am coming at you with an update. We are not completely done yet, but the doors are up. Width-wise, or height-wise, it actually worked. Width-wise, not quite. This opening was bigger than we anticipated, and we figured that barn doors would be great, like the bypassing ones, because we figured, like, I don't have the track at the bottom, but it closes. Okay, so it closes the opening. However, you can see inside here, and you can see a little bit here. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to get boards like this, and we're going to put it and nail it or screw it on the side so it makes like a hollow platform in a way. It's hard to explain, but basically we're taking one of these boards and just putting it sideways here so you don't see it. So from the inside, it's gonna look like a hollow box, which is fine, but you're still not gonna see that wood because there's still no privacy in there. And if I have guests, because I plan on getting like a Murphy bed and all that stuff eventually, I want to be able to like have that privacy. We still have to put the track on the floor. We had a hard time with that last night. It was getting so late, and so we have to do that. We did reinforce the top just to be on the safe side with this plank here. We could have did it without, but I kept insisting that we use the plank because this is like 100 pounds and things can end up happening. I don't know. So we use liquid nails to reinforce it, and then we use the screws, and then the base is screwed into there. So the wall isn't gonna rip out if something happens. It's gotta go through that board first. So coming at you from the inside, now you can really see those gaps. So the wood is gonna help that, and it's gonna block it to where you can't see anything. And of course the track on there. Like from the inside, these things were a pain in the butt. Typically these face this way in the front, but because these are bypass doors, we wouldn't have had the room and the clearance for it. So, and even instructions, they did not look like it was flat up front. And they also did not tell us we have extra holes in this one. We started off in the middle and then we realized that we wouldn't have had enough like room. So we had to move it to the outside on this door specifically. This one we didn't do because we figured it out on this one. So I'm just gonna have to get like some putty and fill the hole, but that's the least of my worries. And if you guys wanna see what it looks like up there. But at least they're up. Tonight we're gonna try to fix the track here and then probably get some wood to drill in here, and then we'll figure out like paint and stain. I'm not quite sure what I want yet. So we are going to IKEA to pick up some furniture. The key is beeping. Here we go.